Hello there, and welcome to another tutorial on mobile journalism from DW Academy. Hey, you've made it this far. Congratulations. Before you go out to shoot your own video report using your mobile phone, here are some handy tips for you. Number one, make sure that your phone is fully charged and has enough storage space. Prepare a storyboard and take it with you so you know exactly which shots you need. Always set your phone to airplane mode before you start recording because you don't want any incoming calls to ruin your recording, right? Plus, it helps you to save on battery. So you probably usually carry your phone in your pocket or in your hand. And you don't want to have this nasty fingerprints or dust particles. So you have to make sure you clean your lens before you start recording. Always hold your phone horizontally. 16:9 is the common TV ratio. Of course, it doesn't apply if you're shooting for other social media networks, for example, Instagram. There, you can shoot vertically. Stabilize your phone so that you avoid any moving or shaking. This ensures that your picture is clear. You can stabilize your phone by simply using your hands. Make sure you have a stable stand or lean against something. Or you can use mobile journalism equipment such as a shoulder pod and tripod. Don't hit that zoom button. Although many new phones have different lenses that use optical zoom, you could accidentally end up using the digital zoom. But digital zoom isn't actually a real zoom. It simply adjusts the image on the camera, expanding the canvas and zooming in, which means you lose quality. The picture gets blurry. And yeah, older phones only use digital zoom. So the zoom button is a big no-go. Instead, it's up to you to get closer to or move away from your object. Make sure there's no background noise in your film. And if there is, just change your filming location. Try not to film in bright sunlight or in the dark. Make sure you do not film against the light. Try not to film in automatic mode. First, frame your shot, then shoot. This means you should adjust your shot size, exposure, white balance, and focus before you hit the record button. Well, there you have it. Now you are ready for your first smartphone video production. Good luck!